Good morning children, welcome you all once again in our online classes of class 1 English 2. So first, how are you all? I hope you all are enjoying at home and studying also. So today what we are doing? We are reading lesson 5 and the name of our lesson is The Little Red Hen. Okay? So children, have you all done the reading of the lesson? Yes. If you have not done the reading, read it once again. Okay? And whoever has read 2 times, 3 times, do the reading of the lesson so that you can understand the lesson very well. It's very interesting story. Yes. So children, as all of you, we have done first day, I have explained you the story, and the second day we have done the reading and the book exercises, the phonics. Okay, and today I will tell you the copy work. Okay, so here it's written lesson 5, the Little Red Hen copy work. So children, what we do in the copy? We do dictation words, word meaning, make sentences and question answer. So there's too much to write and learn. So I hope whatever is taught to you, it will be uploaded on the site also. Okay, so you can on the homework app, when you will open it, there it will be available. Okay, so you can copy from there also, as well as you can see the video. It's all very clear to you all. The reading, the pronunciation of that, you can see the video and do your copy work. Okay, so as I have said, be regular with your work. Don't keep it pending that I will see the video and later I will write it. No, don't do this. Okay, take the pencil in your hand and do whatever is taught to you. Stay with me, practice it and learn each and every spellings, because children, the most important thing is your spellings. You are not learning the spellings, you are just writing. Sometimes you write wrong. So be very careful while writing, and the copy work, do it very neatly with one finger gap. Again and again I have said, one finger gap in a very good cursive handwriting. Okay, I know in UKG all of you were writing very nice. I know that. So keep that up and do it well. Okay, so let's start with our copy work. So children, when we first take your pencils, okay, and when you will take your copy, as I will instruct you, you will do like that only. Okay, be very careful with the spellings and the handwriting, because I have seen your papers and I have seen many of you have done very well, but you have to take care of your handwritings a lot and be little more careful while writing what you are writing. So first, whatever your copy has finished, okay, now it's your second semester, so please take the help of your parents, okay, and with the help of them, when you start with your copy, first mention it's like this: second semester. Okay, second semester. Understood? Then turn the page, leave this page here. Okay, then first what you will do, you will write the date. Okay, and the date is 21. The date is 21 to 8 2020. Okay, 21/8/2020. Lesson 5, The Little Red Hen. Children, please write it like this in a very good handwriting. Try to write in a cursive handwriting. Okay, as I have said, many children have done very well, but many are there, they need a lot of improvement in their handwriting. Okay, so be regular with your work. whatever is taught to you today, I will show you the copy only, and after whenever this video finishes it, take the help of this video only and do it in your copy now only. Okay, don't keep it pending that we'll do it later, we'll watch the video later. No, today if we have completed the copy work, you take the help of your parents. Today itself take your English 2 copy and complete this work. Okay, it's first you write the lesson name, The Little Red Hen. Okay, leave one line, then write dictation words. Okay, as you all know, dictation words means the hard words, whichever is very hard in the lesson and you need to learn the spelling of it, we give it as a dictation word. So what you have to do, you have to learn the spelling of it. Okay, so the first one is little. It's little, not litter. Many of you write litter. There is a big difference between little and litter. Okay, so don't write litter and litter as little. Okay, so be careful and learn the spelling properly. Little, L-I-T-T-L-E. Little means tiny or small. Okay, then the second one is flour. Okay, F-L-O-U-R. Flour. Flour, as I have said you, it's a powder of grain. Okay, so it's a powder of grain or a wheat. We call it a flour. F-L-O-U-R. Okay, the third one is cookies. Your mama cook cookies and you sometimes you brought from the market also. Okay, it's very yum, tasty, delicious. Okay, so cookies. So the first one, what you will do, cook. The spelling of cook, C-O-O-K-I-E-S, cookies. Okay, and the fourth one is heavy, H-E-A-V-Y, heavy. When it's heavy, weighty things. Okay, for example, a brick is heavy for you, like that. Whenever you hold something and you are not able to hold it, it's heavy. Okay, then the fifth one is insects. Okay, small creatures like cockroach, mosquitoes, house flies, these all are insects. Okay, so the spelling is I-N-S-E-C-T-S, insects. So I hope children it's clear to you all. You all can see here. First what you have to do, write the date, lesson name, leave one line, then mention dictation words, then write 5 dictation words on this page. Don't write anything else on this page, leave it like that only. Okay, and underline with the blue color pencil how I have done in this copy. Okay, so I know the next is our word meaning. Okay, so the first word meaning in this, that is first tasty. What it is? Tasty. When you eat gulab jamun, when you eat paneer, it's very tasty, like that. Tasty, it means delicious. Okay, T-A-S-T-Y, tasty, and the meaning is delicious. D-E-L-I-C-I-O-U-S, delicious. Okay, what it is? Delicious, tasty, delicious. The second one is hunt. Okay, like who? Turkey want to hunt for the insects, means in search of insects. He want to search insects to eat. Okay, like that, it's hunt. It means search. S-E-A-R-C-H. What it is? Search. S-E-A-R-C-H. Clear? So first you will write the heading like this. Okay, then 1 and 2. Okay, write like this. Then leave one line and then write make sentences. What it is? Make sentences. So the first word is bag. Easy. B-A-G, bag. So the sentence is start with the capital letters and end it with the full stop. Underline it. This is my bag. This is my bag. B-A-G, bag. Underline it. Okay. You can write this is a bag. This is my bag. It's okay. Okay. And the second one is cookies. I love to eat cookies. I love to eat cookies. So here make sentences, heading underline. Whatever the word we are using to make the sentence, you can write any sentence. But whenever you are using the word, don't write it with capital. Start with the capital letter, end it with the full stop and underline the word. Is it clear to all of you? Okay. And when it finishes, underline like this. Okay. So the next one is answer the following questions. So children, question answer is related to the lesson 5, the little red hen. Okay. We are going to do that. Be very careful what I am reading, how I am reading. You should know how to read it, how to learn it. Then you will, while copying the answers today itself, you will write in your copy and you will go through it and see the video again and again as I have said and learn it. Okay. Learn the spellings, learn how to say. It's very easy. Okay. So the first one, the first question is, who is sitting in the sun? Who is sitting in the sun? So you have to tell who is sitting. So the answer is, in place of who, it is a goose. Who is sitting in the sun? A goose. What's the spelling of goose? Say with me. G-O-O-S-E. Goose. A goose is sitting in the sun. Full stop. Start it with the capital and end it with the full stop. Is it clear to all of you children? I hope you all have understood this. Easy? A goose is sitting in the sun. Okay, underline it with a blue color pencil. Leave one line and then write question number 2. Okay. Who wants to go for a swim? Who wants to go for a swim in the water? A duck. Very good. The answer is a duck. So in place of who, we'll write a duck. All the other things you will get from the question only. A duck wants to go for a swim. Then the full stop. Okay children? Leave one line and then question number 3. Okay? So the next question is, what does the turkey have to hunt for? What does the turkey have to hunt for? The turkey, from the question, the turkey have to hunt for, hunt means search for insects. What it is? Insects. So I have given you in the dictation words also. So you have to learn the spellings. Don't write the wrong spelling children, please. Okay. Be very careful with this and don't write anything wrong. Okay. Try to learn the correct spellings. Okay. The turkey have to hunt for insects. Is it clear to all of you? So children, today we are not going to do much because I have explained you the copy and I know this copy work is too long to complete. Okay, so I want you all to first copy all this work in your copy and go through it, learn it. Okay, if you are having any difficulty with the pronunciation, anything, then go through the video again and again and try to listen what I am saying. Okay, once again I will repeat it for you. That is the dictation words. Okay, little, float, cookies, heavy, insects. You can say with me. Okay, then the word meaning: tasty, delicious, hunt, search. Make sentences. Bag. Say with me. This is my bag. Cookies. I love to eat cookies. Okay. Then, who is sitting in the sun? A goose is sitting in the sun. Who wants to go for a swim? A duck wants to go for a swim. What does the turkey have to hunt for? The turkey have to hunt for insects. Okay, I hope till here you all have understood. So today what you will do, you will complete your work and go through it and learn it. Okay. So children, I have explained you each and everything. I hope it is very clear to all of you. So be very careful while writing in the copy, and whatever you have written in your copy, it's your responsibility to learn it also. Only writing is not important. Whatever you write, you go through it, read it again and again and learn it. Okay. So best of luck and complete your copy work. Thank you and have a nice day.